Your fundraiser page is live. So where do you go when you want to change it? Everything you run lives in one place, My Campaigns. Your campaigns, the people you have recruited, your donations, and your profile. Each fundraiser you run gets a card. This one is active, with nothing raised yet against a $2,500 goal, no donors, and 71 days left. Along the bottom, Edit Fundraiser, View, Share, and more. Sharing and QR codes get a video of their own, so today we are going into Edit Fundraiser. Edit Fundraiser opens the same form you filled in when you signed up, with everything you already wrote still in it. There is nothing to retype. Right now, your page is borrowing the main campaign's photo. That is the fallback, and it is better than nothing, but it is not yours. Drop your own photo onto the upload area. It becomes your featured image, and it takes over the top of your page. You are not limited to one. Add several, and whichever one is marked featured is the one that leads your page. Your suggested amounts came from the campaign template. Change them to match what the people you know will actually give and rename them however you like. Then write your thank you message. Every donor reads this the moment they give. Update Campaign saves it. Your photo is on the page and your status is still active. Editing a page that has already been approved does not send it back for review. Your changes are live straight away. Back on My Campaigns, your card has picked up the photo as well. One more thing worth doing, under More, choose Updates. Give it a title, say what has happened, and publish it. Anything you have posted before is listed right here, so you can go back and edit it or take it down. The More menu carries a count too, so you can see how many updates you have posted at a glance. It lands on your page under your story where everyone who visits can read it. That is how you keep the people backing you in the loop. Find more charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.